How to fix an iPhone. Personal Hotspot Grayed Out. Ensure cellular data. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Check if cellular data is enabled. Make sure your cellular data is turned on. After turning on, check if the personal hotspot is back to the normal or not. If it is grayed out, then turn airplane mode. First, swipe down to open the control center and turn on airplane mode. After a minute, turn off airplane mode. This does a quick network refresh and may resolve any connection issues. After this, check if the personal hotspot is back to the normal or not. If it is grayed out, then force restart. Press and release volume up. Press and release volume down. Hold the side button until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. This won't delete any personal data, but it can help resolve software issues. After restarting, verify if the personal hotspot is back to the normal or not. If it is grayed out, then remove and reinsert. SIM card. Use a SIM ejector tool and remove the SIM. Reinsert the SIM after a few seconds. This reinitializes your phone service and can help with carrier-related issues. After reinstalling, verify if the personal hotspot is back to the normal or not. If it is grayed out, then reset network settings. Go to the Settings app. Scroll down and click on General. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Then again, click on Reset Network Settings. This will delete saved Wi-Fi networks and VPN settings but won't delete personal data. After resetting the network, check if the personal hotspot is back to the normal or not. If it is grayed out, then update iOS software. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on General. Look for the option Software Update and click on it. If you have any update, then update the software. Make sure you have the latest iOS software installed on your phone. After updating the software, check if the personal hotspot is back to normal or not. Now you can see the personal hotspot has been normal, and that's it.